It's gonna be probably maybe spring and summer. I need you lady to help me name the theme today, I guess. So I am going to, if you want to create the chrome's ombre, what usually with my personal experience, I usually go from the free edges first, and then you move toward to the cuticle, so then you can create really nice ombre look. How everyone doing today? Hope everyone's have a great Friday. Happy Fridays, everyone. So I will use the most pigments on this. Doesn't matter if you're using sponge or makeup's applicator, like eyeshadow applicator. You can pick up your chromes and give the most pigments right here on the free edges and rub most of them, and they will actually grip it on the colors actually on the top coat that we here for 15 seconds, and then move it, because you don't want to touch it right on the top, then it's gonna give all the pigment here, then it doesn't look ombre the way you expecting it to look like gradually. And you can go a little bit higher if you want to. I think I want half of it ombre. So it doesn't matter whatever colors of ombre. I did one of the time before, I think I did pinky pink. I might get it wrong. Hi Shashin, long time no see. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, I think it's good. If you want more, you can do it more, I think. Let me see. Great. So also I'm gonna do another one. Give me that one. I'm gonna do another one though, but this time let me do this one quick, because I want to do the maybe fusioning on that. 10 seconds. So next I'm gonna using a Weaver gels, a pure white. I think it should be good. This one is good. I'm gonna do this one, whole nails. This one, if we're doing a roses like painted and then put neons, it's gonna look so gorgeous. So pretty. Great. Hey Tina, how are you? I'm gonna get this dusted off. Okay, so we're gonna leave this on here, and then we're gonna do something fun later. But let's get back to our Weaver gel. So I am going to using this for, actually I tape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toothpick together with just Scotch tape. Pick up my weaver gel to create a 5 like stripes at the same time, and go opposite way. I'm gonna flash here for 30 seconds. It's really stringy and I really like this. It's so easy for me to do, and I can do this all day long. And next we're gonna do some crystal placement, but this time we're going to using tribal art. We have a lot of questions we're asking for tribal art, and it's really fun. It's mega mix, so there are several different cool tribal art here. You can using any of them if you would like to. I am going to use condensed glue gels. This is a great for if you are like tuning in with Glitz all the time. Is you know exactly what we're using that condensed glue gels for is crystal placement. You can use it for flat back 3D charms and chains, and then keep it stay in one place. So I'm using the first step of 3-step methods, and I am going to apply all inside the nails because I will do a crystal placement and tribal art. So it's gonna be so much fun to look to see this designs, to see this final designs of this look. You can do any colors of chrome. It doesn't have to be necessary this color. Last time I think I did darker pinky pink, I believe. So this, I got the condensed glue gel down. So next I am going to put the no wipe top coat on the top of the condensed glue gel, but this no wipe top coats on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. Oh, thank you, Nuna. I love this. My favorite mixed collection, the tribal collection, is so pretty. I really enjoying it. It's so fun to work with. Again, it's really how do I explain that look? It's not like a flashy like crystals, but it's really calming look, I guess, if I say it right. So okay, let me see if I have a tiny little, I would like to get some tiny little size of this. Get another one. So let's see. I want to pick this. It doesn't matter whatever you pick. I'm gonna pick this piece. And sorry, somehow I moved my beads some places. Now I can't find it. Do you have you ever have that problem too? Like you put probably right in front of you, but you can't see it. It seems like it's disappearing for me. Oh, okay, right here, I found it. It's weird. Sometimes I have my glasses on my head, head, and I keep looking around and I'm looking. I'm saying, do you see my glasses? Just at me. So I found it. It's right in front of me because I put it, you know, where it's supposed to, so I can see it easy, but eventually it's not. So okay, so it's here, right here with me. No, it's good. Okay, sorry, it's just a little bit technical difficulty. So I got my gold beads here. You also, can you, if you lady can share it to the Glitz girl group? I think, I don't know because I was in, hey Annette, how are you, love? Nancy, I need to see your setup specially storage for the all the germs. Yes, definitely. And it's you. Can you put the code in? Thanks so much, Gina's. Hello, Ellie. Hi, Annette. Hope everyone have a great Friday. Okay, so really weird. Maybe someone with motorcycle. You don't have to do all the beats like this. If you want, you can. I think it looks cute. Is make it more defined. You can do this one look cute too. So if you do like 10 nails for clients or 4 nails, you can create different look, different designs. And this is a look that I had it before. I did quite a few times in a different chrome, so this is for all of you if you don't remember, or any of you just tuning in. This is something really cute and fun you can do for your clients. Like today I got to recreate this set that from my set before, then clients really want to wear it, so I did this similar like this. She's really enjoying it. So you can do this Bahamas. If you don't want, you can do Crystal AB. I think it's Crystal AB is really cute as well. I'm gonna try to find the smaller crystals. Right there. I think this is good. Unless you want something else. And if you're happy with this, we are going to clear this for 60 seconds.